So in this video we'll just look into the the importance of the reward and recognition in the employee involvement. Now question arises, what is this recognition? Recognition is a process where the management shows the acknowledgement for the employee's outstanding performance. Actually, the recognition always creates a motivation for the employee. So whenever the employee does the work in perfection, so when it is recognized by the organization, definitely it adds the motivation, and in further he can do the better performance, or he can give the better performance. The recognition always helps in the psychological improvement, and this recognition makes the person to move forward, and he will be contributing to the organization. There are various ways to recognize the people. Out of that, the common things are the ideas whatever he has done, or the work whatever he has done will be published in a book, or he will be invited for a simple what you can say, a coffee or a gathering where his work can be appreciated, or in a form of a brochure or the information, the recognition can be done. Like that, various methods are there. They develop the whatever they have developed will be discussed with other individuals or the other organizations where the person can be recognized. Why should one recognize? That means why that recognize is required. The first thing is it will improve the employee morale, the company appreciation for a better performance. It will create a satisfied workplace. So whenever the person is recognized, he will be happy, and always a happy worker will be a productive worker. So when the person is recognized, there will be a change in the behavioral patterns, and that will improve his performance. The other thing is reward. On the one side, recognition is something like appreciation, which is intangible. But when we move towards the reward, reward is a tangible one, such as increase in salary, commissions, bonus, gains, etc. So generally, what we have is rewards will be of two types. One is intrinsic rewards, and another one is extrinsic rewards. In intrinsic rewards, celebration to the acknowledgement achieved by the quality improvement goals, or the regular appreciations or expressions by the managers for his work, and also the 360-degree performance appraisal, feedback, everything will be given to him. So in intrinsic side of the rewards, it will be something like the many things are like intangible in words, but when we go towards the extrinsic things, okay, it will be tangible, where there will be a gain sharing, the profit sharing, the employment security will be there, okay, and the quality based performance appraisals will be done. Due to this recognition or the reward system, there are various effects what we can observe, that the company, the person may feel that he will be a valuable member for the organization, so he has to contribute more. That means the challenges will be there in future, and he will be looking into those challenges. And the other side is the quality and the productivity of the company will be improved, because there is a more involvement in the person. It also provides the organization for an opportunity to thank a high achievers. So from this they can give a direct feedback that how the person is working, and along with that, this will improve the morale of the workers. While doing this recognition or the reward, the company definitely they will undergo this performance appraisal. The performance appraisal is used to know the employees how he is performing. They set some standards. Based on those standards, they will see whether the person is moving according to that or not, and based on that, his promotion or salaries will be changed. The importance of performance appraisals are, it will have a good relationship between the employee and the appraiser. The employee should be informed about the performing on the continuous basis. And one important thing is, based on the performance appraisal, the employee's strength and weakness will be highlighted. So the employee will come to know his weak areas and he can improve on those weak areas. Otherwise, on the other side, what he can say is, when he knows the strength, he can contribute more on the strength areas so that you can bring the success in the company. So every organization must follow these steps, like establishing some standards and communicating these standards or what they are expecting. They will start measuring the actual performance of the employee, comparing these performance with the standards and discussing the results, whatever the deviation occurs, so that they start discussing with the employee, and they will make up with some decisions, and based on that the recognition or the reward is given. So when the recognition or the rewards are done, so there will be definitely the benefits, and the employee involvement gets increased. So employees make better decisions using their expert knowledge. So employees are better able to spot and pin the point areas for the better improvement. So employees will be able to take immediate corrective actions. So employees can overcome the friction in the working area. The employee involvement increases the morale. At the same time, the employees have increased the commitment towards the goal because they are involved, and when they are involved, they will be recognized. So the employee involvement keeps on increasing. So this is all about the recognition and reward. So further sections will be continued in our next videos.